Buckle up, tech aficionados, because Google is stealing the spotlight today with not just one, but two big splashes in the tech news swimming pool. Let's dive into what's making waves. First up, Google is facing a massive £5 billion lawsuit in the UK, and it's a biggie. A class action lawsuit claims Google has been a bit of a bully in the playground, leveraging its near-total dominance of the online search market to squash competitors, bump up advertising costs, and essentially leave UK businesses with slim pickings when it comes to search advertising alternatives. A law firm called Geothermal Partners is representing competition law academic or Brook and all those dissenting UK businesses that feel they've been force-fed Google services since 2011. The big question not even a Google search can perfectly answer: has Google really played Monopoly with search ads? Critics argue the company strong-armed its way to dominance, allegedly paying smartphone makers to stash Google Search and Chrome in their digital cupboards and forking out billions to Apple to make sure Google takes center stage on Safari. Google's spokesperson fired back, calling the legal move speculative and opportunistic, asserting that people use Google simply because it works, not because alternatives are locked in a vault. Meanwhile, across the globe on the tech energy front, Google is lighting up the news for a very different reason. Something quite eco-friendly, actually. The internet heavyweight is bolstering its sustainability image by signing Taiwan's first corporate power purchase agreements for geothermal energy. This isn't Google's first renewable rodeo. Back in 2019, they launched a solar power investment in Taiwan, and now they're tapping into the literal heat of the earth, bringing an additional 10 megawatts of clean power to the table. Partnering with Baseload Capital, Google's geothermal venture is more than just hot air. It not only boosts Taiwan's geothermal tech market, but also showcases Google's role in pushing for cleaner energy. Let's be honest, when tech titans are previously mentioned as potential heavy contributors to global pollution, these strides mean more than just a green tick mark. The company's geothermal initiatives stretch beyond Taiwan, with projects sprouting in collaboration with Fervo Energy and Project Innerspace across Australia, Japan, and Indonesia. Google seems to be on a transformative quest, tackling environmental impacts while battling legal fire. It's a tale as old as modern tech, giants striving to balance market power with responsibility. So, whether it's jousting in a UK courtroom over search engine supremacy or unearthing clean energy resources, Google's headline moments offer something for everyone watching the evolving dynamics of tech world intrigue. Keep those browser tabs open for more. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.